If you guys want to learn how to add teleporters into your Roblox game, then watch this video all the way to the end. Hey guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to add teleporters in your Roblox game in ROBLOX STUDIO. Let's get into it. So the free model will be in the description, and let's get started. So first you want to make your teleporters. So I'll just quickly add some in and then scale it to the size that you like and make sure it is anchored. Okay, and then rename this to 1, then duplicate it and drag this other one to where you want your teleporters to be. So this will be where your first teleporter is and then your second, and then rename that to 2. And then I'll just change the color, but it doesn't really matter. You can make it invisible or not. And these are the 2 teleporters we're gonna have. So when the player steps on here, they'll teleport there. When the player steps on here, they'll teleport there. So select both of these and group them as a folder. Rename this to teleporters. Teleporters. There we go. And then insert a script into the folder. And I'm going to rename this to teleport script. Okay, cool. So now in the script, we're going to create a debounce. We'll create a debounce. So local debounce is equal to false. Because we need a debounce, because if the player steps on here, they'll go here and then straight away they'll be put back here. So it'll just be like an infinite loop. So we do need that debounce. Then local players is equal to game get service players. And then now we can say local teleport part 1 is equal to script dot parent wait for child 1. So we've got the 1 teleporter here and the second one there. So let's just copy this variable, paste it over, and change this to 2. Cool. So now we have to check when one of them gets touched. So teleport part 1 dot touch connect function. Then in these brackets put hit. So hit is going to be the part that has touched it. So right now if we leave it like this and we print out hit, I'm pretty sure it's going to print out the base plate. Or if we put something like this over it. There. So the spawn location was touched and we don't want that. We want it to only teleport players. So if hit dot parent find first child, which is a humanoid, then it is going to be a player or an NPC. So if you want just the players to be able to teleport through this, then follow this bit. And later on, I'll show you how to make it work for players and NPCs. So then if players find first child, hit dot parent dot name, then it is a player in the server and it is going to teleport them. But first we need to check if that debounce is false. And if so, we'll set the debounce to true. Then next we have to get the character. So local character is equal to hit dot parent. And then we want to move the character from this one to this next teleport part. So character move to vector3 dot new teleport part 2 dot position. Now and then wait 1 second, debounce false. So let's test that now. So if we play and we step on here, I forgot, get rid of the vector3 dot new. It's just teleport to part dot position. So now when we step on here, we get teleported, and you'll see the teleport was kind of weird. You'll see when it teleports, my character kind of comes up a bit, and that is why. That is because let me just get an example here. So when a player steps on here, it teleports them straight to the parts position and the middle of it. So the player is actually getting teleported here every single time, and we don't want that. We want them to be up here. So to fix that, what we're going to do is go here plus vector3 dot new 0, 0, and then on the y-axis go up about 4 studs, and let's see if that looks better. So now if we step on it, it is a smooth teleportation. And just to show you that 4 studs is working, I'll change it to like 20, and you'll see I'll teleport high up in the air above the part. Boom. So 4 studs seems smooth for me, so I'm gonna leave it at 4. Then now we have to do the same for teleport part 2. So part 2.touched, and then change this to part 1. So now when we play, it's going to be working. We can teleport between the two, and we can go back and forth, and it works. And this is only for players though, but if you want NPCs to also be able to go between these two teleporters, then what you have to do is go into the script and then get rid of this players variable, and then get rid of this line of code and one of the ends, and then the same on this one. So it's not checking if the player is in the server, it's just checking if there's a humanoid inside. So to show you that it works now with the NPC, let's get the NPC or current server, there we go. So let's move it up in the air and make it touch it. There we go. So now it is going to teleport between the two, just like our player. So now you'll see it also will work for us, and it just checks if there's a humanoid inside. So yeah, that is it for today's video. Bye guys.